Hello everyone, 2357 here and welcome back to another video. In today's video we're going to be talking about coordinates and how you can use them to find chunk borders and directions. Finding directions using coordinates is very simple. The z-axis represents the north and south direction while the x-axis represents the east and west directions. When you move north, your z coordinate decreases, and when you move south, it increases. You can use all this to find any direction that you want. For example, if you wanted to find the southeast direction, you would want both your x and your z coordinate to increase. So you would go in this direction. As you can see, both of these are increasing. That means we are going in the southeast direction. Now finding chunk borders is also very simple, but you also need to use some math for it. And currently I have a chunk visualizer pack on, but that's just for demonstration and you might not have this in your world. If you want to find the chunk borders, you first need to take the x coordinate of any of the coordinates and round it down to the nearest multiple of 16. In this case it's 16 and we are going to mark the coordinate 16 out. And the chunk border is always between the multiple of 16 and 1 minus the multiple of 16. So in this case it's 16 and 15, but in any other case it will be 32 and 31, 64 and 63. Now you also need to do the same for the z coordinate, and for this chunk rounding it down gives us minus 16. And as we know, it's between the multiple of 16 and 1 minus the multiple of 16, so we move to minus 17, and it's also a chunk border over here. Now you can connect these chunk borders up, and you can also make these 16 blocks over to find the borders of the entire chunk. A quick tip for anyone who loses his base very often: you can always rename your tools or any item that you want to the coordinates of your base so that you never lose it again. And that's it for this video. I hope you all found the video useful, and if you did, consider subscribing and leave a like.